We are now studying the evolution of the earth. So evolution of the earth, now we are going to study about that in this lecture. So we know that we are a part of a solar system. In our solar system we have sun plus 8 planets, and then the solar system is a part of galaxy, and again this galaxy is part of the universe. So in this way the whole structure is constituted. Okay, and now we are staying on this, we are living on this planet, which is the green planet, or the planet which we are living in. So if we see our planet, we will find that it is full of greenery. हमें बहुत सारे forest मिलेंगे, बहुत सारे oceans मिलेंगे, we will find lot of water. Okay, and we will find a lot of forest, which makes the earth possible for the living creatures. Because of this we can live on the earth. But if we see that this thing was not the similar case when the earth was in its process of evolution. At that time earth was something like this, okay, full of lava, full of magma. It was actually a hot ball, which was not possible for the living creatures, that life could not thrive on this planet, that is the planet earth. Initially it was initially it looked like this, okay, but slowly and steadily the things started to change. Now if you see, there are three important sequences which happened, which made the life possible on earth. And what is that? So firstly, if we see, that is the primordial atmosphere. So the primordial atmosphere was stripped away. Due to solar winds. And secondly, if you see, you will find that the primordial atmosphere was mainly consisted of hydrogen and helium. Okay, hydrogen and helium. So the primordial atmosphere was made up of hydrogen and helium, and this atmosphere was stripped away from the solar winds. The solar winds were coming from the sun. Okay, it was coming from the sun. So this solar winds stripped away the primordial atmosphere, that is the atmosphere. The एक initial stage में एक atmosphere था around this earth, और वो earth, उस atmosphere को हम कहते हैं primordial atmosphere. Okay, now secondly, when this primordial atmosphere was stripped away, second thing happened was degassing. Now what is this degassing? So this degassing is the process from which gases come from earth, from inside of earth. अब ये एक प्रोसेस थी कि the gases were coming from the inside of the earth, that is the internal structure of the earth, along with the lava. Okay, so the gases plus lava was coming from the inside of the earth. Now the third thing which happened was the cooling of earth. Now remember, firstly the primordial atmosphere was stripped away due to the solar winds. Secondly, the internal degassing was going on, the gases were coming from the inside part of the earth and along with the lava. And thirdly, the cooling of earth. The earth started to cool slowly and steadily. So if you see, the earth was like this, and continuously the solar winds were going on, and all the atmosphere, the primordial atmosphere, was stripped away by the solar winds. Okay, it was taken away, it was blown away by the solar winds. तो फिर उसके बाद में हमारे ऊपर वो प्राइमोडियल एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं रहा, ठीक है. देन what happened, the lava was coming outside from the interior part of the earth, and when this lava was coming on, along with the lava, gases were also coming. And which were these gases? So it consisted mainly of water vapor and CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, and that along with the carbon dioxide there was nitrogen, and along with the nitrogen there was methane. So these type of gases were coming outside from the interior part of the earth. Okay, water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and methane. But you see, oxygen was not there. Oxygen was not there. Remember this thing, when the gases, the degassing process started, water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and methane started to come out, but oxygen was not there. And now we need oxygen to survive, but that time oxygen was not there. Then how did this oxygen come? So remember, when this gases filled the atmosphere, okay, ये water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, मीथेन, ये सारे मिलके एक नया एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट हो गया. ओके, इट क्रिएटेड अ न्यू एटमॉस्फेयर अराउंड द अर्थ मेड अप ऑफ वाटर वेपर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन एंड मीथेन. नाउ दिस एटमॉस्फेयर, when the earth started to cool down, okay, so there was water vapor. Now this water vapor also started to condense. Condensation process started. Okay, so when this earth started to cool down, condensation process started and this water vapor started to condense. And when this condensation process happened, it converted the water vapor into the water, and then the water droplets started to fall down. Okay, the water droplets started to fall down on the earth. अभी एटमॉस्फेयर में से वाटर वेपर बन गया है वाटर, एंड नाउ इट इज फॉलिंग ऑन द अर्थ. Now similarly when this water vapor, at the same time when this water vapor was falling on the earth, इसके साथ डिसॉल्व हो गया CO2, that is carbon dioxide, because हमने देखा है कि carbon dioxide was also there in the atmosphere. Now the carbon dioxide started to dissolve with this water. Okay, the water droplets which were falling down after the condensation, CO2 started to merge, CO2 started to dissolve in this water and it started to fall down. Now when the CO2, ये जब CO2 ऐड हो गया वाटर के अंदर और ये जब नीचे गिरने लगा, so this reduced the temperature of the earth. Okay, it reduced the temperature. How? Now remember one thing, CO2 जो है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है, उसकी एक खासियत है. ओके, इट हैज अ स्पेशलिटी. एंड व्हाट इज इट्स स्पेशलिटी? इट हैज अ स्पेशलिटी दैट इट एब्जॉर्ब्स हीट. ओके, नाउ CO2 एब्जॉर्ब्स हीट, और CO2 जब हीट एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, देन इट विल गेट चार्ज्ड, इट विल गेट हीटेड एंड इट विल इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर, एंड दैट इंक्रीजेस द टेम्परेचर. Now when the CO2 is decreased in the atmosphere, that means less CO2. Okay, or less CO2 means it will absorb the less heat. That means the process of cooling will start. Okay, so in this way the process of cooling started. Condensation, so let me explain you again. Condensation started, and when the condensation started, the water vapor was converted into water and it started to fall down. And when the water was falling down, carbon dioxide got mixed in this water and it also started to fall down. Now this इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि the concentration of carbon dioxide decreased in the atmosphere, and when the carbon dioxide the proportion of carbon dioxide it decreased in the atmosphere, it enhanced the process of cooling of earth. Okay, और इसकी वजह से earth जो है हमारी फिर और ज़्यादा cool होने लगी. Okay, and it started to cool down more and more water started to fall on the earth. Okay, and in this way the craters of the earth, okay, यहाँ पे जो craters थे, the depressions, okay, there were depressions. Depressions means ये जो चीज है इसको depression कहते हैं, और craters, these are also called as craters. CRATERS. Okay, so these craters started to, अब ऊपर से पानी जो आ रहा है तो वो अर्थ पर गिरेगा. ओके, द वाटर विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर इट विल फॉल डाउन ऑन द अर्थ, एंड व्हाट विल हैपन देन? सो नाउ द craters started to fill up with the water, and after that these oceans were formed. Okay, now the water which was coming from the atmosphere along with the carbon dioxide, it started to fall down and it was filled, the craters got filled, and in this way the oceans were made. Okay, and we got the oceans. Now if you remember, we have learned that the earth, the life which it took for the life first took place in the water. Okay, like the first instance when the life emerged, it was in the water, because the water was the water had that capacity to thrive the life. So you will find that life first formed in the water, that is in the oceans. Now when the life started to evolve in the oceans, that time the photosynthesis process also started. The seagrass and the sea plants which were there in the oceans, they started to create their own food. And we know that when the photosynthesis process happens, this time in the photosynthesis process, the oxygen is released. Oxygen is released. Now oxygen is released in the photosynthesis. Now when there was water in the oceans, and when the water in the ocean started to give place for the sea plants, and the sea plants started to create their own food and by using the photosynthesis, and when the photosynthesis was going on, oxygen was released. Now at a point, ऑक्सीजन, the oceans were saturated with the oxygen. Okay, जो oceans जो है अपनी कैपेसिटी फुल हो चुकी, उनकी कैपेसिटी फुल हो चुकी थी ऑक्सीजन को पकड़े रखने की. Okay, their capacity was full to hold the oxygen. Now this oxygen started to come out of the waters and it started to fill our atmosphere. Okay, the oxygen came from the oceans and they filled our atmosphere. And here you will find that now our atmosphere is having the oxygen, which is important for our survival. Okay, and in this way we find oxygen in our atmosphere, which is very important for our survival. So here now we have our beautiful planet that we call as our Earth. Okay, Prithvi. So that's all about the evolution of the Earth, evolution of the atmosphere. Now we have seen how this Earth evolved, how this atmosphere evolved actually. So in our next lesson we are going to study about the interior of the Earth. हम Earth के detail में जाने वाले हैं. We are going deep inside the Earth and we are going to see what is there inside the Earth. Okay, so thank you for watching.